I got something new to try out. Welcome back. Today I want to try out a new product for floor mats. You may have seen an earlier video. If not, I'll link a description down below for the Maxpider 3D floor mats, which I currently have and I really love. They're great floor mats. I'll show you right now. I've got the front, I've got the rear in the trunk, and I have this first and second row basically in the trunk. And love them. They work great. They don't slide. But this company called Lasfit reached out to me and said, hey, we've got some floor mats we'd like you to try out. So I figured, hey, send them to me. I'll try them out. We'll compare them against the 3D Maxpiders and see what we think. We go from there. So let's get them open and check out what we got. I have not opened them yet. Looks like we have, this is like the front, the passenger and driver, and second row. So there's no back rear area, but just the front. I think they do sell those, they're additional, they're on the internet. But here's what we have. They're supposedly 3D imaged. The back has little, they're rubber. I forget the exact material that they mentioned. But they have little nipples, little bumps on the back. Looks like to hold them in place. And it's a nice rubbery material and probably really easy to wipe out. One of the problems with the Maxpiders I've had is washing them off sometimes. It seems like I can't get everything off. They have a different kind of material on the top and sometimes stuff can get trapped in them. These are strictly rubber. So here you can see what I'm talking about. These are the little bumps to hold it in place. They're branded. A lot of people I know aren't fond of that, of the name, but it does say Lasfit on them for what they are. But it does say on the internet if they bend a little bit in shipment that you can bend them back in shape by just bending them the opposite direction. But these don't look like they're bent very bad at all. In fact, the way they're packaged, they look to be pretty good. So let's get them inside. So we'll take these out, the Maxpiders. Let's check these out. Oh, wrong side. These are laser fit. As you can see, they fit right in nice and snugly. And it is being held in place by those bumps. The lip is not as high in the back, but it fits perfectly. There's a little ridge here and it fits right on the ridge. I mean, these are definitely made to fit. Let's get the other ones in. Okay, let's take a look at how these look. So there is the front. And here is the back row. And they fit really well. I mean, they really are, just like the Maxpider, they are laser in fit, I guess, laser measured to fit. You can see along the back there, it fits right up against it nice and snugly. There's not any gap really. In fact, there's no gaps at all. And it's really contoured well. Now I have noticed on this one, it is bent a little bit. And they talk about that in the instructions, that if it's bent, you just bend it back the opposite direction. You don't really need to leave it set in heat, and it will bend to the shape you want. So let's try doing that. So I'm just bending it the opposite direction. And yeah, it definitely fits better now. It definitely is a different material than the Maxpiders. Again, on the back, you've got these little bumps to hold it in place, which actually hold it really well. Maxpider has this like Velcro-y type material on the back. On the front, this is more of a traditional mat type of rubber material, which I think is really nice here, especially when you're trying to clean things off. This is more of a different material, and you can see over time how it's got discolored and it's got dirt marks that I've tried to get off and I can't get off. So it looks a little dirty there, it is, but I really like them. I think they're really well made. So overall, I'd say for fit, the fit is great. Stability, it's great. They don't move around. I like the difference in the material. It is a rubbery material that I think will be a lot easier to clean, especially good in the winter when mud gets on it. It'll come right off. And they look good. I think they look really good, especially because they fit so well. So I really like them. I'm going to try them out, keep them going for a while.
1 week later.
Well, it's been a week since I had these, and they work great. They don't move around at all this last week, driving around, pretty stable. No more than any other mats. I think I got a little movement in the front, but I'm pretty heavy on things when I get in and out. And it's a little dirty, but I want to see how easy it is to clean. So I just got a wet washcloth, and I'm going to wipe this off. We'll see what it looks like afterwards. Again, when I do this with the Maxpiders, it doesn't come off. Not easily, and it still leaves dirt, but I just wanted to do a quick wet wipe and then let it dry, and we'll see how it looks. You can see how it got dirty and dusty, parked in the airport parking, and definitely got dirty. So let's clean off this one too. Okay, they're all dry now, and boy, they cleaned off really, really easy. I just wiped with that wet rag right there, and they look just as good as when I pulled them out of the box. So a much easier to clean up than my other floor mats for sure. Very cleaning friendly. So that's them after 1 week. Again, these are from Lasfit, and I really do like them. In fact, I think I'm going to keep them in. I don't know that I'll put the Maxpiders back. I'm going to keep the Maxpiders, but I don't know. I just really like the way these they're working out for me. So again, I really like them. Just wanted to bring them up to you. I like the Maxpiders too. Don't get me wrong. Those are great floor mats, but these are really, really nice floor mats as well. So hopefully they'll send me the cargo mat so I can put the cargo mat in. I think she said she would send me one. So we'll see if we get that one. If so, I might do a little short on that, showing that one in a short. But anyways, that's what I got for you today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.